2023 AMC 8, question 23. Each square in a 3x3 grid is randomly filled with one of the four gray and white tiles shown below on the right. What is the probability that the tiling will contain a large gray diamond in one of the smaller 2x2 grids? Below is an example of such tiling. This question, in the first glance, is very difficult because the shape is not very easy to see, right? If you look at this example, it's very messy. However, this is a great example of the power of exploration, early exploration. I remember in multiple questions I talk about this, like when you start a really difficult question in AMC 8, you should firstly try to just make it work and observe what's a pattern, because you may start to notice. In the first glance, it seems to be really complex, but then it's actually the solution is very limited, or only a few cases will make it work. This is a great example because you look at this 3x3 grid. You want to create a large gray diamond in one of the 2x2 grids. How many ways can you do that? I'm going to draw a few graphs quickly for you to see it. One. Well, for that diamond, the first way to do that might be this. Okay, the top left. Another way to do that is top right. Or you can do bottom left. Or you can do bottom right. And that is it. There's no other possibility. Because 2x2, there are only four ways for you to find a 2x2 grid in a 3x3 grid. And more than that, all those four cases, they cannot overlap with each other, meaning you cannot, there's no double counting. So four cases, no double counting. Now we just turn this really complex problem into a fairly easy combination question. Because you have a very clean setup of four cases, no double counting. You just need to figure out how many ways can you do this divided by the total number of possibilities. Okay, all right, so let's see. How many ways can you make this work? Well, the way the diamond is set up is fixed. So one, but then each of the remaining five 1x1 grid is free. You can choose anything. You're not going to create any problem. You're also not going to create any double counting issue. So amazing. It's 1 times 4 power 5. You have 5 cells. Each of them has 4 choices. And you will find each of them is the same. So you add them up. You will get 4 times 4 power 5 equal to 4 power 6 ways to make it work. Now they are looking for probability, so you need to figure out how many total possibilities there. What's the universe? Well, you have 9 cells. You need to pick one thing for each of them without any limitation. So universe, which means every possibility is 4 power 9. The probability is 4 power 6 divided by 4 power 9, which is 1 over 4 power 3. Because 9 minus 6 is 3, and that is 1 over 64. So the answer is